All right, problem 74. Problem 79 talks about trapezoid area. So we're just going to immediately put up the area for a trapezoid formula. Okay. And plug in anything we know. It says the sum of the lengths of two bases is 22. So those two added up is 22. And it says what is the height? So we have everything else we need. It gives us the area 66. And we're just going to have to solve this. To solve it, we will undo a lot of the operations. Okay, so let's get rid of 66. Let's get rid of the 22 by dividing by 22. So 66 divided by 22 is 3. And then to get rid of a half, we'll multiply by 2 and get 6. So the height is 6. '80 says find the irregular polygon of the nearest tenth. The apothem they give you, the side length they give you, and they tell you it's a pentagon. So with the pentagon, that tells you need the formula for area of a polygon, 1/2 NAS. N's a 5-sided figure. A, the apothem, is 6.9. The side length is 10, and there's a half. We're going to multiply all that together and get the answer of 172.5. Now this is different from the answer in your packet. For some reason the decimal's not there. Your answer in your packet's wrong. This is correct. 172.5 centimeters squared. On the next one, 100 feet of rope to arrange the perimeter of each square in a circle. Which shape will give you the maximum area? So 100 all the way around would be circumference. So what's the area of the circle with the circumference of 100? So C equals 100, and C equals 2 pi r. So we'll put 100 equal to 2 pi r, and solve for the radius. So we'll divide by 2 pi, and 2 pi. So you take 100 divided by 2, and then divide by pi. And you get a radius of about 15.9. Okay, now that has to go into an area formula for a circle. Pi times 15.9 squared. So we'll square that and multiply by pi. Whoops, sorry. 253 times pi. So we get about 794. Okay, that's the area of the circle. Now, with the square, rope was supposed to go 100 all the way around. That'd be 25, 25, 25, and 25. So what's the area of a square? It'd be 25 times 25, which is 625. So the answer is the circle will give you more area. Okay, the next problem, this can be kind of tricky because the tendency that most people have is to do 12-inch diameter pizza is to a 16-inch diameter pizza has 8 ounces will be to how many ounces? But that's not going to work because dough makes up an area. 8 ounces of dough is an area. So this ratio is not going to work. We're going to have to square it. So before you square it, I like to reduce the fraction by dividing both by 4, and you get 3/4. And then I need to make it an area ratio by squaring it. So I get 9 over 16. This is the area ratio, which constitutes dough, because dough takes up space. So we'll put 8 is max. This is what we're going to solve. by cross multiplying. So we get 9x equals 128, right? And then we divide by 9, and you get about 14.2 ounces of dough.